B, Anisalagan Naval. Danza, Christian Paul S, Anisalagan Naval.
Sampu lang sila, no? Isa ako yung kababae. Isa kababae. Ayaw, matin lang sila. Bakit?
Once again, our completers of Open High School program.
The repeaters.
And that concludes our awarding of certificates and medals to our completers.